Hi everyone. We're going to talk about the difference between probability of an event and the odds of an event. You usually hear about odds like in horse racing and things like that. But we already talked about the formulas here on the probabilities. And we've seen probability before, where it's the probability of success is your success over your total success plus failure, or you could have probability of failure over failure plus success. The odds, you don't do the total. You're just seeing the odds of success over failure or failure over success. So we're going to look at, we already looked at probability questions in the prior video. So we're going to look at the odds real quick. Let's say we have a bag where there's 5 math questions and 4 science questions. What are the odds that you don't pick a science question? So if you're not picking science, you're picking what? Math. So the success of not picking a science, so really you're picking a math, is 5 to 4. All right, so you could also write it as 5 to 4 or 5 to 4. That's the odds of not picking a science question. Now, if I were to say probability, that would be 5 over 4 plus 5. So this is a probability of the math question, let's say. So this would be 5 over 9. And we didn't talk about this, but probability has to be in between 0 and 1. 0 means 0 probability. 1 means 100%. And anything in between that, it goes in between that. So in this case, the odds, that's bigger than 1. So 5 to 4. And that's another key. So we're going to do a little mathy type questions. We're going to state the odds given the probability of the event. So they're giving you the probability. And we're going to rewrite this as 4 over 4 plus 7. So 4 is my success, and 7 is my failure. So to write this as odds, that would be 4 over 7. Success over failure. So this is success plus failure for the probability. All right? This one would be 2 over 2 plus 1. So my success is 2, and my failure in this case would be 1. So this is 2 to 1. Here we have 5 over 5 plus, this would have to be 94 for it to equal that. So that would be 5 over 94. Okay? So this would be the odds. 5 to 94 is the odds. And we can go in the opposite way. They give us the probability, or they give us the odds, so we have to state the probability. So we know that this is success over failure. It could be failure over success, but so we want success over success plus failure. So that would give us 2 over 25. So writing down the probability. This is success over failure. So that would be 2 over, oh, this is not 2, this is 3, sorry. 3 over 3 plus 5, which would be 3 over 8. And success over failure, which would be my success is 4 over 4 plus 1, which equals 4/5. So these are my probabilities given the odds. The next video is going to be about multiplying probabilities. We already did a little bit, but this is going to be a little more complicated. talking about selecting in any order, with replacement, without replacement, and in a certain order. So the next one's going to be a little more complicated than we did on the intro to probability. Have a nice day.